Today we're going over how to reset the oil light or the maintenance required light on most modern Toyotas. This is a 2017 Toyota Highlander, but most modern Toyotas have the same reset procedure. Hop into the car, put the key in the ignition, turn it to the on position, but do not start the car. You're going to press that button on the gauge cluster that selects the odometer versus trip A and B. You want it to say trip A. Once that is displayed, you can turn the key back to the off position. Now here's the only somewhat tricky part, and it's really not that difficult. That same button that you use to select trip A, you have to hold that down as you turn the key into the on position. Keep that held and you're going to see these little flashing lines that go away, then it'll say zeros. After those zeros go away, the light is reset. On some of the newer Toyotas, you get like a loading bar that goes up rather than the lines that go away, but either way, keep that button pressed until it's done doing different things on the screen. And when the gauge cluster looks normal again, you're ready to start the car. Everything is all set. You don't need to do anything else and it's ready to drive. Hopefully this helps you out, and thank you guys for watching.